And we're back with another live stream video. Before we start, I got to give you the word for today. Proverbs chapter 11, verse 25. A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. So that's the chapter for today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So let's look at pairs. What this one? Let's look at let me see, Bitcoin. Bitcoin look like it's going to, Bitcoin is pretty much in a buy trend. So Bitcoin is in a buy trend. When you look at the higher time frame, you looking at it, it's in a buy trend. Look at the daily. As you can see, the daily is green. So the daily time frame is green. Another thing I want to talk to y'all about, I hear it all the time when it comes to trading. Uh, I ask, I've asked several people uh, when they new to this, beginners, they tend to say the lower time frame, but that's that's not a good you know lower time frame ain't gonna cut it. You know why? Because I used to be in that same predicament. I used to trade on the lower time frame, and I had to reprogram my mind and learn the right way to trade. So the 1 hour, if you trading on the one, if you when you get on these charts and you start from the 1 hour, that's not gonna cut it. I'm being honest with y'all. That is not gonna cut it. The 1 hour time frame is not gonna cut it. Got the higher time frame tells the story. So higher time frame tells the story. Chaotic. Hello. Hey, what's going on? Chaotic. It's Sunday. Yeah, it's Sunday. So here's the thing. Sundays and Mondays, I don't trade because the trend hasn't set. The trend has not set. That's very important. You might get in, might be manipulation Monday. Manipulate is the trend hasn't set. So I don't trade Sundays and Mondays. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, yeah, but Sundays and Mondays, no. I do not trade Sundays and Mondays. You gotta be patient and let the trend set. If you can get in and you don't have a plan when it comes to this, that's not good for you not to have a plan. You gotta have a plan. So gotta know which days you trade, which days not which days to trade and which days not to trade. So Bitcoin Bitcoin could be a potential, uh, but it's Sunday. I mean, it's Sunday, so we'll see, we'll have to see. I have to see going towards Tuesday, but looking like a buy trend. When I set my signal out last week, it was like Friday. Uh, it hit my TP for Bitcoin. It hit my TP for Bitcoin. I sent out a buy signal and it hit my TP. And yeah, this looks like a chaotic broker I use. I use several ones. I use uh the link is in the description The brokers that I use, if you want to, I use HeroFX and Plexytrade. Plexytrade, the link is in the description, so you're gonna have to go through that. Go to the link, and it's gonna you click those links, and those are the brokers that I use. So it should be in the description. But to answer your question, I use Plexytrade HeroFX. So now back to this. This is if you know your patterns. So when it comes to patterns, it's very important that you got to know your patterns when it comes to this. I strongly suggest uh, if you're a beginner to get the Candlestick Bible, and I tell my students this as well. I give them, I provide them the Candlestick Bible to read if you don't know your patterns when it comes to this, because patterns are very important when it comes to trading. You got to know your price action, you got to know price action, you got to know market structure. So me looking at this, I can tell you right now what pattern this is right here. And I can look at it right now. I can tell you what pattern this is right now because I know my patterns. And this right here, looking at this is you got the head and you got the shoulder and you got the shoulder. This looks like a inverted head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulder. So Bitcoin has the potential to go up to the upside. This is a inverted head and shoulders. You put it type in see, head and shoulders. You got to know your patterns when it comes to this. That's very important. I I, I go by several patterns. These are my favorite patterns. Inverted head and shoulders, double bottom, double top. Oh, I love those patterns. If I ever catch those patterns, it's game over. Again, if I ever catch those patterns, like see, like I had this, like right here, but I don't trade Sundays or whatever. But this right here just lets you know that this is a potential. This is a head and shoulders pattern because you got the head, got the shoulder, you got the shoulder. Let me put my see. I need to put the what's it? Oh, right here. It, need to screenshot this. Let me see. Screenshot this. You said why my voice so low? You can't hear my voice? I'm gonna have to probably turn it. You said you can't hear my voice? Can you hear me? Cause I got my Bluetooth on. I got my Bluetooth on. And Chaotic said, do you use indicators mostly mark up your charts from different time frames? All the questions. I'm new to all of this. So here's the thing. Here's the thing, Chaotic. I do top down analysis. This is why I teach in my NPM Academy. Uh, I do top down analysis. So the higher time frame tells a story. I tell my students is the higher time frame tells a story. So you got to go to the higher time frame. You don't just go to the 1 hour, the 15 minute. That's not gonna cut it because I remember when I first started trading, I used to get chopped up going to the 1 hour, and then I move over to the 15 minute. Then I move over to the to the lower time frame. I used to get chopped up. I used to wonder why I'm getting so chopped up, and I used to get frustrated and get upset. I've been there. When it comes to emotions, when it comes to traders getting upset and getting emotional, I've been there. I've been there. Trust me, I've been there. Believe me, I've been there. And I had to learn the hard way. So I had to learn the hard way. So I do a top down analysis, top down analysis. Uh, like I said, the higher time frame tells the story, and then I work my way down. But yes, I do have an indicator for that. So I have an indicator, and you see this right here. It's called NPM Trade Command. So the NPM Trade Command does it for me. It pretty much does it for me, like the top down analysis for me, because it has the higher time frame candle. Uh, it has the higher time frame candle. It has the higher time frame bias. I created this indicator. So can you turn your what? Turn your what did you say? Hold on. Let me know. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Hello? Type of one if you can hear me. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Huh? Microphone up. That's I did turn it up. I don't know why it's not. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Type of one in chat if you can hear me. I'm about to turn this. Let's see. Oh, you hear me? Oh, you hear me? Yeah. I'm gonna turn this down. Okay, you can hear me now? All right, good. So what I was saying is I create this indicator. So my strategy, basically my strategy, what I was telling you, the top down analysis, uh, I put my strategy inside of this indicator. So of course, I mean I know market structure, I know price action. I put my strategy inside of here, coded it inside of here. So uh, it does it for me. So it when it lights up green, it gives you a buy. When it lights up, see, look at this NPM trade command buy signal. That's the that's this right here. When that goes off, that's let you know that's a buy. When that when this goes off, you see the NPM trade command buy signal. I need to go to. Let me see if it lights up. Let me see if it lights up. Let me go to it. NAS100. Go to it right quick. 5 minute, 5 minute time frame. No, it's not lighting up. Hold on. It lights up green. So this lights up green or red. So green means buy, red means sell. So this usually lights up green, red. So if it goes up, say for instance, this goes up like drastically, it's definitely gonna light up. This NPM trade command gonna light up. If you catch it early, say for instance, this signal, you catch the signal, so this is giving you a signal early. Basically, the NPM trade command is giving you a signal early. So if you catch the earliest signal, then boom, you already in it or whatever, and then boom, it can potentially rise up to the upside. You get what I'm saying? When you catch those buy signals. So, but of course, you got to make sure that everything aligns. And I know how to, I make sure that everything aligns. That the I do my top down analysis as well. So price action, and you got to do your top down analysis when it comes to this. So you got to go to I go to the monthly time frame. So I go to the monthly time frame. what do you see? What is this? Is this a buy or sell? What candle is this? Can anybody type it in the chat? Is this a buy or sell candle? I want to know. I know what it is. I want to see. Do y'all know what it is? Is this a buy or sell candle? Type it in the chat. I already know what it is. So y'all type it in the chat. Is it a buy or sell? Buy or sell candle. Correct. Buy. Chaotic. Buy. Correct. So we got a buy candle. Let's move. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So we see the buy on the monthly, and then let's go to the weekly time frame. So uh, the weekly time frame, this candle, what is that? A buy or sell candle? Even though it's little, that's a buy. Somebody, Scooby said buy. Correct. That's a buy candle. Then the daily, we go to the daily. Is this a buy or sell candle? Is this a buy or sell candle? Type it in the chat. I want to know, is this a buy or sell candle? I don't see no buy or sell. This candle right here. Okay, I said buy. Correct. Correct. This is a buy candle. So just by this, just by what we saw monthly, weekly, and daily, just by the monthly, weekly, and daily, are we going for a buy? Are we going for a buy? Or is this a buy trend or sell trend? Just by what I asked y'all, is this a buy or sell trend? It's a is this a buy or sell trend? Just by these three time frames. I want to know. Type buy trend or sell trend. Type buy trend or sell trend. Just by these three time frames that I asked y'all about. I don't see no buy trend, no sell trend. I don't see no buy trend, no sell trend. So are we going for this? Just by looking at this, is this a buy trend or a sell trend? Are we looking for buys or are we looking for sales? In the future, are we looking for buys or are we looking for sales? Buy, correct, correct. Yeah, Cam, I saw your text message. You know I'm on live, so yeah, I'll get with you later. I didn't completely see the whole text message, but I didn't see the complete text message, but I saw it run through my phone. So, but we'll talk later. But yeah, but yeah. So what I was saying, uh, buy. So we know that this is we're going for buys. So we move over to the 4 hour and look at that. That's a buy trend. Look at that. If you know, here's the thing though. Here's the thing. Remember when I was telling y'all about the patterns? I was telling y'all about the patterns. Uh, you have the double bottom, double top. inverted head and shoulders. This looks like a, look like a, let's see, like a W. Let me show you what a W, a double bottom. A double bottom is like this. It goes down, up, and then down, and then up. Let me try it. See if I can. It's a W, just like a double W. So double bottom. But when I explained to y'all, when we went to the daily, when we went to the daily, this was an inverted head and shoulders. I explained to y'all that this was an inverted head and shoulders. What was it? No, oh, that was Bitcoin. That was Bitcoin. Uh, that was Bitcoin. Bitcoin. We was on Bitcoin. This is another pair. This is NAS100. But yeah, uh, we went to the monthly. We went to the weekly. We went to the daily. And what did I ask y'all? I said, are we in a buy trend or are we in a sell trend? And chaotic, what is no, it's Scooby. Scooby, you said buy, and that's correct. We in a buy trend, so you should be taking buys. And who? Somebody said, I'm taking bearish. Nah, nah, bro. You should be taking sell trade. But everybody trades differently. But just by me showing y'all, I'm showing y'all, I showed you right here how I do it. I showed you the monthly was buy, the weekly was buy, the daily was buy. What did I ask you? I asked you, are we in the buy or sell trend? Did not ask y'all that. Are we in the buy or sell trend? And Scooby said buy. So why would you take a sell going if I'm tell asking y'all buy it? It says buy. So hello. So yeah, we're this is a potential buy to the buy trend. So this is a potential buy. But Sundays and Mondays, I don't trade Sundays and Mondays. So like I said, the higher time frame tells the story. But this indicator, if you don't want to, if you don't want to do the like I did the monthly, weekly, and daily, it it shows it on here for you. So this lights up. It gives you the higher time frame candle, the monthly, weekly, and daily. When this lights up, all when this is green, 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 and it says bullish, then the higher time frame says all green, and then it gives you your entry stop loss TP1, TP2, TP3. That's a go. This indicator is very powerful, very powerful, very powerful. I'm doing a deal where you get this NPM trade command. It's monthly. You get it monthly. You get access to my NPM Academy. You get access to my NPM Academy, and this ends at what is it? Midnight. Ends at midnight Eastern. I did it for a whole day, and and midnight it ends. But you get this NPM trade command dashboard where it sends you signals. You're gonna get signals to your phone. Like you saw where it says when it showed an alert saying NPM trade command dashboard. See, see, look at that. NPM trade command dashboard. It gives you a buy signal. So you'll be able to get this if once you sign up and you get this, you'll be able to get this, and you'll be able to get my NPM Academy, which that's monthly for free. You get that for free, and you get my NPM. You said my audio is a bit low. I'm gonna have to take these. Hold on, I'm gonna have to probably take this. I got my Bluetooth on. I'm gonna have to probably take it off. See, hold on. People saying they not.
Can y'all hear me now? Type of one in chat if you can hear me. Can y'all hear me clearly? Can y'all hear me clearly? Can y'all hear me? What time frame would you trade if you're making from the higher time frame? I trade from the 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame. I take my entries on the 5 minute time frame. So I do my top down analysis and I take my entries on the 5 minute time frame. So like I showed you, you go to the higher time frame, then you work your way down, and I take my entry to the 5 minute time frame. So Cam, you already know. That's didn't I teach y'all that I teach y'all I take my entry 5 minute time frame. That's how I like to trade. I take my entry from the 5 minute. But that don't mean that you gonna when you first go to a chart that you supposed to go to the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. That don't mean that you supposed to go no. You of course gonna do your top down analysis. But with this indicator, you don't even have to do all of that. Because I coded it where it does it for you. So it's gonna give you the trend bullish, and then it's gonna give you a higher time frame candle, monthly, weekly, and daily, all green. That's when you go in. When it says all green, that's a go. When the higher time frame bias says all green, when it says green right here, you'll see it. You might not see it right now because it hasn't lit up yet. But when this thing light up, it lights up like a Christmas tree. So it lights up, it's gonna say green, and then it's gonna give you entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3. Cam, tell them you got this indicator, and it's tell them you enjoying this indicator. Tell them it lights up. This indicator when it lights up, you just gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Let it do its thing. Let the market do its thing. And once the market do its thing, it's gonna potentially light up. It's gonna light up green for buys or red for sells. So green for buys, red for sales. So this lights up green or red for sales. So either way, this gonna light up green or red. So it's gonna tell you green, we in a buy trend. Red, we in a sell trend. So when this lights up, it's go time. And you'll get the alert right here. You get the alert right here, and it's gonna say NPM. It just showed it, but it went off. It said NPM trade command, and it's gonna say buy or sell. So it gives you signals. It gives you signals. See, look, NPM trade command buy. NPM trade command buy. So I use this. I use this for my VIP Telegram signals. You almost passed your prop firm. That's awesome. Yeah, I use this for my uh VIP Telegram signal. So when I get these alerts like NPM trade command, it's go time. And on my previous if you're in my Telegram NPM trade room, we caught how much is it to use your indicator and go live. I'm gonna have to send you the link. Send you the link. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna send you the link. Probably I'm gonna have to send you the link. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. I'm about to send you the link. I'm gonna put it in the chat. I'm put it in the chat. Does everybody see it? I put it in the chat. Does everybody see it? I put it in the chat. I'll pin it though. See, pin it. I pinned it. So you should see it. That's for the NPM trade command dashboard. I pinned it. So what I was saying. So yeah, it sends you alerts. Sends you alerts. So say for instance, you download Trading View. I hope y'all have Trading View on your phones. And if you don't, it's very important that you do download Trading View because uh I like so you say for instance you on the go or you go somewhere or whatever, you can get alerts to your phone. Like you see this NPM trade command dashboard, NPM trade command buy signal. You can get the same alerts on your phone if you have the app downloaded on your phone. So say for instance you on the go or you're busy or something like that, you'll get the alerts coming in. They're gonna be coming in hot for real. So it's very important that you download download TradingView to your phone. So if you don't have it, you better download it so you can get these alerts. And then I'll show you how to set the alerts up. It's real easy how you set the alerts. See how see, see how I got all these alerts? Just set the alerts. So you're gonna set the go here and to the indicator where it says NPM trade command, and then you're gonna do here, go here, and then you're gonna say add alert on NPM trade command. Then boom, that's how you set the alerts. So you make sure there's this, it says this, make sure it says NPM buy alert, and then same as chart, and then I put it as me personally, I put it as once per minute. I have mine's once per minute. So mine's is ringing all day. So I'm used to ringing, mine's is ringing all day because I like the alerts coming in. So I can be on alert. So I have it as once per minute. So I strongly suggest you to put it once per minute, and then you put create. I'm gonna put create. I'm not gonna push it because I already got it set. But that's how you do it, and then you do another one, and that's sell alert. You're gonna change this to sell alert. So after you do this buy alert, after you do this buy alert, NPM buy alert, and you push create, you're going to go back in. You're gonna exit out here, and then you're gonna push these three dots again. Then you're gonna do an add alert, and then this time you got to do a sell alert, NPM sell alert, and then make sure it's same as chart. Make sure once per minute, and then you're gonna push create. It's that simple when you put in alerts. Does everybody understand that? Type of one in chat if you understand that. How to set the alert when it comes to the NPM trade command. Type of one if in the chat if you understand that. Type of one in the chat if you understand that. So that's how you set the alerts. That's how you set the alerts. So what I was saying, NAS 100, NAS 100 has a potential to buy go. It has a potential for a buy trend on NAS 100. As you looking at it. Let's go to when I was telling you the monthly, weekly, daily, and I explained to you, are we going for a buy or are we going for a sell? And you said it was a chaotic or somebody. He said it was a buy trend. So that's correct. We will be going for buys. I only take buy. I will be only taking buy trades. Again, I'm only taking buy trades. If the trend is buys, I'm only taking buy trades. I'm not taking no sell trades. I'm only taking buy trades. Does everybody understand me? I'm only taking buy trades. So I drop down to the 5 minute, and I take my trades on the 5 minute time frame. Once you finish doing the top down analysis, if you don't have the have this NPM trade command, but if you have this NPM trade command and this lights up green, when it lights up green, and then it says on the higher time frame candle, all green, and then the higher time frame bias, green, and then it gives your entry, your stop loss. Once this lights up, it's a go time. It's go time. You don't even have to do the top down analysis because you have it right here. But I strongly suggest you to still go. I still look at it, and glance at it and see. But it, what I'm telling you, the top down analysis is pretty much inside of here. So it's going to show you where it says the higher time frame candle and the higher time bias. It's pretty much done it for you. Now when it does mismatch, like you get a red, green, red candle and they not matching the same color, then no, you're not supposed to be taking that trade. If the higher time frame candle says if it says red, green, red, you're not supposed to be taking that trade. It has to. They all have to align, all green. Or if you're going for a sell, it all has to align, all red. Type of one chat if you understand that. So they all have to align. When this lights up, we can go through. When this lights up, let me see. Let me see if I can go back to. Gonna do a replay. Start new. We can do a replay. And I'm gonna show you how it lights up. This cam, I'm gonna show you how the NPM trade command lights up. Let me see. You have to do it slow. 3. Let me do it 3. So we're gonna. So when it comes to this, you have to be patient and oh, there it is. Turn it on. Okay. Does everybody see it? Does everybody see it? So this is what I'm talking about when it lights up like a Christmas tree. This is what I'm talking about when it lights up like a Christmas tree. Trend, bullish, higher time frame candle, green, 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 higher time frame bias, all green, entry, gives you your entry 29026.42. Gives you your entry. It already passed that, passed it, but it gives you your entry because it went a little bit too fast. But if you would have caught it on a 29026, let me see, 2926. Let's go back. See if we go back. 29. I said 29026. 9026. Go back. But it lit up. What I was explaining to you, it lit up, and it gives you your entry, your stop loss, your TP1, TP2. So it gives you your entry when it comes to this. Bam. So here's the entry, 28933.42. So does everybody know about buy stops and sell stops? So you could take a buy stop for this entry. That way you don't enter, prematurely. Or you can do a market execution. I do market executions. Or you can do a buy stop to the upside. Let me see. Okay, buy stop. What's the price? 28. 933.42. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss is 28,732. 2732. And 0.00. 732. 0.8. And TP. So when it comes to this, you can do you said what's the difference between hold on. Hold on. Somebody say so what did you ask me a question? You asked me a question. A buy you said the what's the difference? So a buy stop is priced above the price and then the buy limit is placed is placed below when it comes to that. So and then the limit order is reversed. So buy stop is placed above and but when it comes to this, you can either use either one. You can, but I I use me personally. I use the buy stop, buy limit, uh, buy limit is fine, but I use the buy stop or sell stop. But either one, you can use the buy limit, sell limit, either one. But I use the buy stop. That's the one I use the most if I'm gonna do it. But I don't. I do a market execution, so I don't even do buy stops and sell stop that much uh unless it's very rare that I do market executions. I used to do it, buy stops and sell stops. And it's very important that you gotta know the right time. Like so, when you get this signal, say for instance, you get this signal. Say for instance, it says NPM trade command buy. You can go in and you can put a buy and then go to like TP. You can either go to TP1, TP2, TP3. So TP1, TP2, TP3. So if you're scalping, say for instance, you're scalping, go to if you're scalping, you can get in and get out. If you know what scalping is, scalping is getting in and get out. So say for instance, it goes. Say for instance, you got like 100K account, for example, and it goes up like $100, $200, $300, or even $500. You scalp, you close that out, and then get back in, and you have to have a profit target of how much you want to make that day. So, say for instance, I want to make $1,000 that day, so I'm gonna keep scalping until I get to that thousand or that or whatever amount that you have your profit target, your daily profit target. So that's very important. You don't want to be greedy and keep on trading. So if I teach my students is you got to have a daily profit target when it comes to trading because you don't want to keep being greedy and keep on getting in and then you don't have no a time to stop. You don't know when to stop, and then you're gonna give the money back to them if you don't know what your daily profit target is. Does everybody understand that? See, I gotta put in the TP. So we can do 29. I said 29, 29, 735.59. No, that's a this is stop. This is stop loss. This is stop loss right here. Hold on, let me see. 29, 735. 9. So 20. Why is it not? Oh yeah, that is. Cause look, 29,735, and it's saying how much it's gonna make. Yeah. So then I put the stop loss. Make sure I had a stop loss 28,732.8. Or you can put TP1, TP2. Let's go to TP1. TP1. TP1 334. Was it 334.5? 0.66. 0.66. Change this. Maybe it's oh the buy. Let me see. 20. I said 28. Oh, I see what it is. See what it is. I gotta change this. The number was off. 28, 29. So stop loss is 28,732.8. And then I said that TP3 was 29,735. 29. We'll just go to that 735.9. And then make sure we got the stop loss TP3, then the buy stop, then we're gonna execute it. So if it was, let me see, change this, change the lot size to 2 to 2, 5. What's the stop loss on here? 1,000. Okay. And then you just let it roll and you play it. And you play it. Change this. 3 is fine. It hasn't hit that buy stop yet. Boom, hit that buy stop. So it hit the buy stop. And we in profit. We in profit. And if you're scalping or whatever, say for instance, you're scalping and you up. Look at that. So we up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It took me out. See? See? Took me out. Did everybody see that? It took me out. Did everybody see that? It took me out. So yeah, it took me out for the so it hit all TPs. Look at that. That's amazing. It hit all TPs. It hit TP1, TP2, TP3. We can go back. Let me see. Let me see if so y'all can see it again. So it hit that seven. What is it? The seven. Where I said 735. My TP was 735. 735. Am I freezing? Does everybody see me? Everybody see me? Let's see. So let's go back. Go back, run it back. This was the TP, so it hit all the way up here. It took me out. We're gonna run it back. Run it back. So y'all can see it again. It's lights up. But as y'all saw that it went up to the upside and it hit that last TP3. That's how powerful this indicator is. That's how powerful it is. Supposed to when it go off, it's gonna light up for the buy. See. Oh, so this was my entry right here. You see this arrow right here? This was my entry. So my entry was right here, and that's why it shows the arrow because the arrow is right here, and then watch as it goes up. It's gonna go up all the way up to here to the 29790. That's how powerful this indicator is. That's how powerful this indicator is. And I use this to send my signals. Use this to send my signal. Watch, it's gonna hit this line. Watch, y'all gonna see it's gonna hit that line. And that was the last CP. It's almost up there. So boom. See the arrow? Boom. That's where it took me out at. Took me out right there, the red arrow. So this was the buy entry. See the green, I mean, see the blue arrow. See the blue arrow. This was the buy entry. I used the NPM trade command. It went off green. It lit up green. Gave me the buy signal. I took the buy signal. I took a buy stop because it gives you the entry, gives you the stop loss, gives you TP1, TP2, TP3. I took the buy stop because I went off of the entry that it gave me, the entry that it gave me. So I put in a buy stop, and then this the arrow. This is where it's at, the arrow where I took the entry right here, this blue arrow, and then it went all the way up here to this red arrow, and it took me out. Took me out right here. That's how powerful this indicator is. That's how powerful this indicator is. Yes, sir, it is. But the good thing about it is I'm doing a deal. So So you sign up tonight, you get my NPM Academy and my VIP Telegram signals free, long as you keep up with the membership of the NPM Trade Command. You will have access to my NPM Academy and NPM VIP Telegram signals. And that's a steal because those are monthly. I charge monthly for the NPM Academy and the VIP Telegram signals. So you getting that for free, long as you get the NPM Trade Command. So you're gonna get my mentorship, you're gonna get me directing you and showing you everything you need to know. I do live, Zooms Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you have questions, it's not gonna be a one-on-one. It's gonna be I don't do one-on-ones because it's gonna be a group. It's gonna be a group thing, so anybody can join that link. So you'll be able to, and that's in the NPM Academy. So I send it out to the Telegram, and you can just click that link and join. Anybody can join. It's not gonna be a one-on-one. You can join, and that's Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you have any questions, you can ask me any questions. You'll know. I'll keep explaining my strategy. If you have any questions, anything when it comes to this, this is very powerful. So the VIP Telegram signals, now on the VIP Telegram signals. So say for instance, I get alert, like you saw, I get alert NPM Trade Command dashboard, and I look at it and I'm like, this is a good trade. Like this is a good trade. So I'll send it out to my VIP Telegram signals, and you can get in as well. So you'll have access to that. You can get in as well. So you'll be able to get in. So say for instance, you busy or you happen to see the alert, me sending out that signal, you can get in and have access to that. But that's free when you get the NPM Trade Command dashboard. And those are monthly. My NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals are monthly. So you're getting that free. So I'm giving it to you free, as long as you pay the NPM Trade Command membership. So, and that ends. I've been running it a day, so it ends at midnight. So if you don't purchase it by midnight, you won't get access to my NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals. You'll just get the NPM Trade Command dashboard. So, and what time it is now is I'm Eastern, so it's 8 o'clock. So you got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 4 hours. Y'all got 4 hours. So you got 4 hours. If you don't get it by midnight, that closes. So you won't get access to my NPM Academy or VIP Telegram signals. Get access to it. You'll just get the NPM Trade Command. You won't be able to have access to my Academy or my VIP Telegram signals. So you're really getting a steal, because you won't have to pay the monthly cost of the Academy or the VIP Telegram signals. All you're paying is the NPM Trade Command membership. And this is very powerful. I showed you this is a very powerful indicator. It's basically me inside of this indicator, because I coded it to a T. I coded to, I do the top down analysis. I put all of that in here. So, and it gives you the entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, and then the confidence level is 100%. So when this lights up green, it's gonna give you trend, higher time frame candle, higher time frame bias, entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, confidence level is usually gonna be 100%. So it's a very powerful indicator. My other indicators I made, they don't have this. Like the first indicators that I made, they don't have this. I made this for y'all so y'all can be able to kill it on y'all prop firms, kill it on even y'all brokers. If you want to trade on the broker, even broker, prop firms, all of that, you shouldn't have no excuse why you shouldn't be able to capitalize on your prop firms or kill it on this. I Cam, he using it right now. He killing it with the NPM trade command. So there should be no excuses when it comes to this. You follow the direction, you follow the plan, you follow what I tell you, and you follow my instructions. Well, it's when you don't follow my instructions and you don't follow the plan, that's where we got a problem. And how you gonna be able to succeed if you're not gonna follow directions? So that's very important. You gotta follow directions. What I'm showing you right now, you should be following. When I show you to the plan, you gotta follow it to a T. So let's go to let me see. Let's go to gold. Let's go to current market. Look at that, it's lighting up. And this is current. This is NAS100 currently right now. What is this, bull? I'm trying to see. Do I got this running? Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah, I got this running. I already got this running. See, if you're using my VIP Telegram signals, you would know that I already got this running. So look, it's lighting up. Bullish, green, 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 all green. Entry, 29, 29, 29. The entry is 29,726.66. It's already entered in. Let me see. Yeah, it already hit it. Already hit that entry. So if you would have took that entry market execution, then boom. But I don't trade Sundays and Mondays, so I don't trade Sundays and Mondays. But this it gives you, see, it gives you the TP1, TP2, TP3, 30383. Where's that at? 03. See, I already put let me see, up on my signals. I look at my signals, see what I put as that last TP. I put oh yeah, I put this, so but it can go, has the potential to go farther. 30383. So it gives you a stop loss. The stop loss is 29562.41. So it gives you entry, it tells you bullish, green, it gives you alerts to your phone. Now you will have to see NPM trade come in. That's even you can even trade this on, you can trade this on futures, Forex. You can trade this on stocks. You can trade this on all these all the pairs, all these. So trade on futures, stocks, Forex, it's gonna give you the alert. So you just gotta trust the process. You have to trust the process. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions? If you have questions, put it in the I already answered chaotic the last is monthly. With yes, that's correct. Monthly. I already answered that. So I like that it lights up. What I like about this the indicator is it lights up. Like I said, like a Christmas tree, it lights up green. So it lights up green for buys, and if you're in the sell, if it's in the sell trend, it's gonna light up red for sales. And look, it gives you NPM trade command buy. This is futures, futures. So, but I got it for futures and in the regular indices. So for Forex. So this is future, but the NAS100 went off too. The NAS100 NPM trade command buy went off as well because it's lighting up. You see it lighting up, so it already gave a signal for that. You just gotta follow the plan. Follow the plan. It gives you the entry, gives you stop loss, gives you TP1, TP2, TP3. It don't get no better than that. It's giving you everything you need. You if you I'm in that trade. I jumped in with 300 right now. You're in that trade 300 right. You said you got so you your account is at three your account is 300 or you already in profit 300. That's what I want to know. Is your account 300 or you're in profit 300? See, I can't see. Oh, you up 300. I see it now. I jumped in because this was in the way. This emotion thing was in the way, but I see it now. I jumped in. We up 300 right now. That's awesome. That's awesome. See how powerful it is. Now you see how much you see the monthly, and you already up right now, and that's how powerful it is. You can get this the same signals, all of this. You can get this as well. You could be up on your prop firm right now. I don't. You could be up on your prop firm using this. Say you got 100K. You can be up. You can pass your prop firm your challenge with this. I use this to pass my I use this to pass my prop firms and challenge and get payouts. Cause on here there's this prop firm that I use, and that link is in the description. Link is in the description. It's called Eightcap. Make sure if you use them, I strongly suggest you use them, and that's for Forex. So my my discount code is CFK12. It's in the link. The link is in the description. It's gonna say ACAP challenges. You just click that link. The good thing about it is the good thing about it is I like that you're able to trade on TradingView. So they made it to where you able to trade on TradingView. Of course, you can trade on Trade Locker. I like Trade Locker too. Don't get it twisted. I love Trade Locker too. I know I love Trade Locker too because it gives you. So say for instance, you want to know how much you want to make that day. You can put in the Trade Locker, and it's gonna show you how much you want to make. Or say my prop firm won't let me on Sunday. What prop firm you use? What prop firm you use? Because ACAP, you able to trade right now. You'll be able to trade if you if you hit ACAP, you'll be able to trade right now. What platform you using? Uh oh this Cam. This Cam. What is that I forgot what platform you said then what platform that is? Uh I forgot you told what platform you said that was again? The Fivers. Oh yeah. The Fivers, yeah. So they don't let you trade Sundays. Well, if you got a cap or any other prop firm like a cap, I know a cap for sure you can be trading right now. Look at that, it's going up. Look at that, this thing is going up, and this is Asian session. Look how powerful this is. it gave you the signal, and look, you would be up right now. I know somebody said that they was up 300 right now just by taking this. Look, and it sends you the signal. NPM Trade Command Dashboard. Hold on. Hello? So what is this thing? So, but what I was saying, no fear of missing out, though. Man, I missed it. You said you might trade Venom bot account. Yeah, cause it's see, it's going up. I don't trade Asian session though. You know I don't trade Asian session. But this is a good. I mean, you see it's going up. I don't trade Asian session. But look, see how it's going up. We at 29,802. 29,802 gives you the entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, confidence. Gives you the confidence level. The confidence level is 100%. So it's 100% confident that it's potential that it'll go in this favor. So that's why I have that confidence. I have the trend. It gives you bullish, higher time frame candle. See green, green, green. Then you have the higher time frame bias. It's all green. And look, and it gives you NPM trade command buy signal. It gives you an alert. So anybody can be up, trade this. I don't. If you trade Asian session, more power to you. I don't trade Asian session. So see, NPM trade command buy signal. It sent the signal right here. Look how powerful that is. I just love it. I love it. I don't take this. Matter of fact, I think I have. Matter of fact, I still got. Oh yeah, I do. I still got. I got my trades running from last week, so I got the signal running from last week. So, but I just don't trade Sundays and Mondays. Like putting in new trades. When it comes to putting in new trades, Sundays and Mondays, I don't trade or putting in a signal. Nah, can't do it. I don't trade Sunday and Monday. But it's running though. This NAS100 is running. So I got this trade running right now. It could potentially hit here, right here. So you just gotta trust the process. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions? Type of one in the chat. Type of one in the chat if you understand this. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. 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 So this is a very powerful indicator. Very powerful indicator. Cam, what you were saying, did you get the what we talked about? We'll talk about it later though. Let's look at US30. Look at US30. So it didn't have a signal for US30, but NAS100 is running. So NAS100 is running. So it don't have a signal for that. Yeah, I don't see the signal, and it's red on the daily. So NAS100 is in a better because I got that running for my signals. I got NAS100 running. So keep on sending alerts. So you get these same alerts. If you want to get this indicator, I strongly suggest you get this indicator. You have until 12 midnight to get the deal that I have. So what the deal is when you get NPM trade come in, when you get this, when you get that membership for the NPM trade come in, dashboard, which is in the I got it pinned in the chat. You get free access to the NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals. You get free access long as you keep up with that membership. That's a steal, really, because my NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals is monthly. So you're getting that for free, long as you get this NPM trade command dashboard. Y'all got till 12 Eastern. Y'all have until 12 Eastern. 12 midnight Eastern, that ends. So if you miss out, you miss out. The link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. Cam, you said just opened a manual trade. My Venom gotta catch the NAS100. That's what's up. So what else I'm say? You see my link? The link is pinned in the chat. So the link is pinned in the chat. You'll see the link pinned in the chat. If you want to get this NPM trade command dashboard, this is a powerful tool. I showed y'all how this is going up. It's going up crazy. Like it went up crazy when I showed y'all example of the when I back tested. It went up and it hit all the way to up to till it was like you can watch the go back to the to the beginning. You'll see it went up just by this signal, just by this the NPM trade command. It gives you the entry, gives you the stop loss, gives you TP1, TP2, TP3. It lights up green, telling you bullish buy. I love this. I love this indicator. So it's very important that you don't miss out on this deal. You have until midnight to get this deal where you get NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals free, long as you get access to the NPM trade command. So if you want to get it, the link is in the chat, or you can go to the link in the description, or you can DM me. If you want to use the broker that I use, the link is in the description. If you want to use the prop firms that I use, I strongly suggest you get Eightcap and use my discount code CFK10. Strongly suggest you use my discount code. No, CFK12. I'm sorry, CFK12. So Eightcap challenges, you use my discount code. It's in the description, CFK12. And if you want to join NPM Trade Command, the link is in the description. Also, my official website is in there too as well. So NAS100 has the potential. So we know that NAS100 has the potential to be a buy trend going up. Now US30 is indecisive right now because when we go here, it's not even lighting up. And I told y'all the daily was red. Daily was red. Look at the daily. See the daily. What's the daily red? See the daily was red. Yeah, the daily was red. So this is indecisive right now. Indecisive. You got a better chance at NAS 100 because of course it's sending my signal, the NPM trade command signal. So and boom, look on a 5 minute time frame, it's lighting up. It's lighting up. It don't get no better than that. This is lighting up. If you ever needed help with your manual trades and you needed the entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, confidence level, which is 100% right now, higher time frame bias, higher time frame candle. Look at this. It's lighting up. It's giving you confirmation. You should be taking a buy. I don't trade Asian I don't trade Asian session, and I definitely don't trade Sundays and Mondays. But this just shows you, if you trade an Asian session or whatever session you trade, you take a buy. Use the entry. It gives you stop loss TP1, TP2, TP3. It don't get no better than that. This is literally my strategy inside this indicator. This is my strategy inside this indicator. Like I said, y'all got till you got to midnight to get access to the deal that I have, which is when you get this indicator, NPM Trade Command dashboard, you get my NPM Academy free, and you get my NPM VIP Telegram signals free. So you'll get access to me. You get access to me when you get this NPM Trade Command dashboard. This lighting up. Look how powerful it is. It's lighting up. Gives you the entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3. When you purchase this NPM Trade Command dashboard before 12 midnight, what'd you say? I can't read. Let me see. There's no there's no lifetime on this indicator. This is monthly. I don't do lifetimes on this indicator. This indicator is very powerful. I use this for my VIP Telegram signals. I want y'all to understand that. I use this for my VIP Telegram signals. So there's no lifetime on this indicator. It's monthly. So that's the cost of it. There's no discount, no exceptions. If you miss out, you miss out. Oh well. I use this for my signals. Like whenever I send my signals, I use this for my signals, for my VIP Telegram signals. And we be killing it. So you miss out, that's on you. At the end of the day, this is very powerful. So There's no lifetime on this, so it's monthly. So any more questions? Any more questions? Because you're really getting the steal. Like I said, you're getting the steal. You get this indicator, you get NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals free, as long as you keep up with this membership. So what did you say? Yeah. So any more questions? Any more questions? Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments, give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. Make sure you subscribe. Like I said, this is very powerful. I love this indicator because it sends me signals. Look, NPM trade command buy. It sends you alerts. Keep getting alerts. I got mine's the 1 minute on the 1 minute every 1 minute. So but I got it set to the 5. You gotta set your alerts. I take my entries on the 5 minutes, so I got it set to the 5 minute. But of course, it's based off of the higher time frame bias and higher time frame candle. So what you missing? I see people all the time. They're missing this. They're missing this. They normally go. Somebody told me they where they start when they first get on chart. They go to the 1 hour and 1 hour. And somebody else told me they go to the 4 hour. And I was like, nah, that's not no, that's not gonna work. You gotta go higher. You gotta go higher than that, and you gotta work your way down. But when you have this, it's gonna explain. It shows that. So when this lights up, it's on go. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So if you want to get this indicator, y'all have till midnight. I would advise you to get it before midnight. I would advise you to get it before midnight because after midnight, you're not gonna have access to that deal. If you get it after midnight, you're only gonna get this NPM trade command dashboard. You're not gonna have access to my NPM Academy and me teaching you and mentoring you and coaching you. You're not gonna have access to me when it comes to that. So, and you're not gonna have access to my VIP Telegram signals where I send out my signals. So get in or don't and you miss out, that's on you. If you ever had problems and been struggling when it comes to this is what you really need right here. It's NPM Trade Command Dashboard. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, you want to join HeroFX or Plexytrade. The link is in the description. If you want to, I strongly suggest you to get Eightcap. That's the broker that's the prop firm that I use, and you're able to trade on TradingView. You're able to trade on TradingView. And if you want to go to my website, the link is in the description. You have until midnight to get this NPM trade command. If you get it after midnight, you're not gonna get the NPM Academy or the VIP Telegram signals. You're only gonna get the trade command. So you're not gonna have access to my NPM Academy where I show you my strategy. You have it's multiple videos. It's a lot of videos, and plus I do live sessions Tuesdays and Thursdays where anybody can join the link. And if you have questions, I'm here to help you. And when you sign up and get this NPM Trade Command Dashboard, you get a free Zoom with me. So when you get this, you get a free Zoom with me, and so pretty much a one-on-one with me. and we'll go through everything. I'll help you set up your alerts and everything. So you get one free Zoom with me. After that, you can attend the group Zooms, which is the link. I'll send the link Tuesdays and Thursdays, and that's usually 7 p.m. Well, I changed time zone. Originally, my time zone was 6 p.m. Central to 7 p.m. Central, but now I'm on the east side. I'm on the Eastern time frame, so I'm on the Eastern time frame. So for me, for the Eastern time frame, that's 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. So 7 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. That's when I do live sessions. 7 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. Does everybody understand it? Tuesdays and Thursdays. 7 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. Type of one in the chat if you understand that. Type of one if you understand that. So I strongly suggest you to get this indicator. You have until midnight. The link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. And if you don't have the link, you can always go to the website and scroll down and you'll see NPM trade command. So, but the link is pinned in the chat. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So give me my ones, give me my likes, give me my subscribe. So this is Chorel, the Forex King. Again, my name is Chorel, the Forex King. But before we end this, you already know, as always, faith, discipline, freedom. This is Chorel, the Forex King. Let's